In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to pin someone else's tweet on Twitter on your iPhone. Now let's get started right away. So what you want to do is, let's say you want to pin this tweet from Ninja, for example. Now what you want to do is you want to retweet it first. So you can add a comment to it, or you can also just put in a dot if you just only want to pin that tweet. Now, once you've retweeted that, what you want to do is go to your profile. If you go to your profile, and then you can see the tweet right there, right? Now, what you want to do is you want to pin this retweet, and then pin the tweet. As you can see, the pin is now the tweet is now pinned, and yeah, that's basically it. So that's how you can pin someone else's tweet onto your profile. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.